But this video is for those people who are going for the road test. Watch this video till end. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, the step number 1 on the test day, what we should do and what's going to happen. So on the test day, you're going to go to the test center 30 minutes before your test. Now, you're going to go inside the test center. You're going to do the check-in for your road test. Once you will done with the check-in, you have to come into the car and wait for the examiner. Don't wait inside. A lot of people, what they do, they wait inside the test center and it's not going to work. After check-in, you're going to get the ticket. You will take that ticket, go into your car and wait for the examiner to come to your car. Once examiner will come, they will ask you to roll down your window. Make sure that your car has to be on. So you have to show them your license. They will ask your license. You have to show them your license. They will ask your name and date of birth. And then they will say, we want to do the car inspection. And you will say, okay, do it. They will go at the front and they will say, give left signal, give right signal. They will go at the back. They will say, give left signal, right signal. They will ask you to apply brake and release the brake. Then they will say, apply horn. So they want to see that if your brake lights are working or not, if your signals are working or not, or in case of any emergency, you're able to apply the horn or not. So make sure that everything is in a working condition. There will be no crack on your windshield and windshield wiper has to be in a working condition. Then examiner going to come inside. He's going to read the instructions on his tab and then he's going to ask you to do a signature and then they're going to take you for the test. So that's how it's going to work on the test day. And once you are done with your test, at the end of the test, he's going to give you the result if you fail or pass, and you can download your result online as well. Thank you so much for watching my video.